took a bit of a beating last night. Lost about 30 killed and wounded, I suspect. I am not here to trade after-action reports, Mr. Hauser. I'm only going to give you one guarantee and one ultimatum. The guarantee is that no Israelis will be killed if you surrender.
You're not selling fuel?
No, we're not. We're closing. So that's why they're 50% off. Everything in the store, 20% off all cigarettes and tobacco.
When somebody gets a chance, they ought to take that sign down, because I thought you were selling diesel for $2.41. I went all the way out to report and came back just because I thought you were selling.
Oh, you know what? We can't change the numbers because we have one of those pulls and a suction cup to move and slide the numbers, and it won't stick to the numbers. But the pumps are all bagged, so people should be able to see. So if there's anything I can help you find, I mean, there's auto fuel.
No, I came to get fuel and I just wasted a bunch.
All right, well, just go down the road. Yeah, moron. Lord, I'm sorry, I should call him moron. He just doesn't even get it.